Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cameron here of Kinley Accounting, and we are starting part 1 of our Systemize series. All right, so we have to start with a great foundation. And the number one thing that I see when marketing agencies come to me, they say, Cameron, that sounds good and everything, but I don't have any books. Okay, that's number one. Or they may say, I'm doing my books on my own, but I don't really have an accountant. Like, what should I do? Let me give you the reality of what that really means to me. When you don't have any books, you are basically screaming, hey, I want to pay more taxes, because I don't know any company. There's not one that I've done or helped to date that has not had books and has paid a little amount of tax. It's never that way. And then also, if they don't have an accountant and they're a growing business, which pretty much everybody's always trying to do, you're now in a situation where you don't know what's been going on the whole year. You haven't tracked anything, and now it's tax time and you're shocked. Why is my tax bill like this? I didn't know I was going to have to pay this much. So that is why it's important that if you don't have accounting books, if you don't have financials in place, you need to get them like right now, like yesterday, like last month, like last year. Because how can we reduce your taxes when we don't even know where to start? What does this look like? For us, we use our 3-step RA method, where we assess, we review, and we implement, and we build you something from scratch that's custom to you, your needs, and your business, and your industry and niche. So then we can say, hey, this is where you are. These are some things that we can do to try to help you to get where you want to be. And these are things that we can implement and put in place, so that way, you know where you are, you know how much money you make, you know how much money you're spending, and now that it's tax time, we have a general idea of where you're going to be, and this is how we can lower it going forward. All right, I hope you guys got all of that. This was part 1 of our Systemize series. If you have any more questions, please visit us at kinleyaccounting.com. For the rest of the videos in this series, please go to our YouTube channel at Cameron Williams. And lastly, if you're interested in our marketing diagnostic accounting review, where we will review everything you have going on, give you some suggestions on what to fix, then check us out and message us in the comments.